good sausage in there. Hey, old bear, look here. Let's just crack an egg. That's right, just crack an egg. You know, I've looked at these things at the grocery store for years now, but they always seemed expensive to me for feeding my family breakfast. So I never bought them until recently. I picked some up on sale, and as I'm using them at home to microwave little egg scrambles, I thought these are perfect for camp. You know, where you're going to spend a little more money on stuff for camp, this is already like packaged up for you, so you're kind of paying for something here. And we can not microwave it at camp, but cook it up in the old canteen cup. That's what we're going to do today, and we're going to just crack an egg. So if you haven't seen these before, they come in different flavors with different ingredients. This one apparently is sausage, bacon, and cheese. Some of them have potatoes, some of them don't. And you're just supposed to put your egg in there, put your ingredients in, scramble it up, microwave it for a few seconds, stir it, microwave it for a few more seconds, and voila, instant egg scramble. But what's neat about these is all these ingredients are individually packaged in there. So you don't have to carry this to camp if you don't want to. See there? You've got a little bag of cheese and bacon and a little bag of sausage, so you can get rid of that and just take those to camp, and they're already ready for you to go. But we're going to use this today to scramble the eggs. I'm using fresh eggs, but if you've seen some of my other videos, this is a great place for your Ova Easy egg crystals also. That's right, they don't sponsor me, but I endorse them. I like their product. Now, along with my just crack an egg and my eggs, I brought along with me some salsa. I brought along some pepper salt that we could use, some Mediterranean sea sauce, some black pepper, some parsley, some chopped chives. So, you know, you can add to this. You don't have to just use the just crack an egg. Oh, I was about to toss this. We need it to swizzle. Let's see here. Let's get some butter melting in the pan. That's downhill. Can we level it any? Can we level? There we go. Leveled. Now I'm going to use 2 eggs. You can use 1. It's okay. I want chives in my eggs. Pepper. Touch of salt. Not much. Touch. Swizzle. I'm gonna wait and add the cheese while it's cooking. I'll tell you the key to a nice fluffy scrambled egg. You gotta keep that guy moving, low heat. Don't rush it. Don't rush your scramble. Now here towards the end, don't abandon your cook. It'll scorch up on the bottom on you. That's right. Keep moving it around. Man, we're getting close. think we're about ready. Should we plate it up? Let's plate it up. Man, I like a little salsa. And how about a little parsley? Yeah. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Heck yeah, man. That's an easy way to have breakfast at camp. I totally recommend them. Go to your grocery store and find them. They're in the refrigerated section. And we'll see you on the trail.